one at the back on. Are you people feeling cool?
Yes.
I didn't ask you. It's okay. Is it hitting you directly? Is it cold for you here? Okay, fine. It's not hitting you directly, right? It's okay. Can? There, okay? All of you okay? Right, this side okay? Okay? Alright, okay, let's continue. Okay, this chapter is going to be a lot of marks in your midterm exam. So all of you must understand anticipating needs. What do you expect from your passengers? What is your duty? How do you speak to people? How do you handle your passengers? This is easily, if I'm not mistaken, anticipating needs. Okay, we are looking at vocabulary builders now. Alright, we are looking at easily. Okay, can I check quickly and tell you? Midterm exam, how many marks from this chapter? Is that okay? Ken? Yeah. Okay, midterm exam. Do you want to see the exam paper? I don't know why this must happen. Okay, as usual, question 1, A to J, MCQ. Question 2 is more like, what am I seeing? Okay, alright. As usual, it is MCQ question. Question 2 is filling in the blanks, asking questions to passengers. Asking questions to passengers. I give you 12 words, you fill in the blanks with 10 words. Alright, like what time is the flight? So you fill in what? Can you understand now? What time is the flight? How many passengers are there on board? How many? You fill in how many. All those answers I've given you, but you just have to pick and choose. I give you 12 answers, you have to pick and choose 10 correct ones. That is question 2. Okay, question 3. Okay, question 3 is formulating grammatically correct questions. What is formulating grammatically correct questions? Is like this. Good morning. Good morning, man. It's lovely to have you on board with us today, but I would be mixing this up so that you formulate the correct sentence. Is that okay now? I would put there, or maybe an easier one. Let me see. Okay, this is better. This is easy. Please. Okay. I may have put this sentence. Alright, this sentence. If you look at your paper, you will find this. Alright. I would have put this, please, first word, so I put capital P. maybe if, no, me, please, let, require, assistance, any further. So you should be able to formulate, please let me know if you require any further assistance. Can all of you handle that? Yes or no? Yes. Melina, okay? Is that okay now? Can? So that would be question 3. That would be question 3. Right? Question 4. Okay, question 4, we will look at some reading comprehension. There would be passages on some of the major, sad to say this, but I think it's good to know, some of the major disasters that has happened in the aviation industry. Alright, so there will be 2 passages, reading, understanding, and answering comprehension questions. Is that okay now? Okay? It will be air disasters. All this, both the passages will be about air disasters. Alright? So there will be 5 questions, each of 10 marks and 10 marks. And then question 6. Question 6 is basically about this section. You have to know, let me show you. Question 6 would be based on, this section. How do you anticipate passenger needs? Remember, you have to be proactive, you have to be prepared. I told you at the start of this lesson. So, how do you handle passenger needs? What do you anticipate? Foresee. Remember, I told you anticipate means foresee. There are 4 steps. Observe, look for patterns, action, and prevent. That will be another 10 marks for that. You have to explain to me. Is that okay? Alright? And final question. Questions. Oh, luckily nobody saw. You saw. Luckily you don't have a photography memory. So it's seen and it's gone. Oh, okay, sorry about that. You saw the question. What did you see? No, what did you see? What? Some boxes. I've got only 1 box. How come some boxes? Right. Okay, then I've changed the question already. Okay, and question 7. The bulk of your answers would be based on what we are going to study now. Is that okay? Alright, so focus on today's lesson, because that will be at least about 30 marks there. Alright, 30 marks. Okay, 30 marks here, so let's learn, let's focus, let's get ourselves ready so that we are ready not only for the exam, but we are also ready to serve as an airline cabin crew. Is that okay? Alright, so let's check this section now. Very important section, because this is now from learning, coming and dealing with people, dealing with passengers. Is that okay? It's not easy. You know, it's not easy. I was actually watching a very interesting video of the life of a cabin crew. Very interesting. Do you watch videos like that? The life of a cabin crew, that kind of thing. Yeah, you must watch. You learn better. Then you can upgrade yourself to reach their level. Right? Maybe if we have time, we'll watch 1 video today. Alright? Okay, alright, let's check this now. We are going into how to talk to people. Yes?
What is question 5?
What is question?
5.
I don't remember. Can anybody tell me what is question 5? I skipped. Really? You didn't write also. Does she want you to write question 5? I skipped, is it? Thank you, Anna. You're a good student. Very good. Okay. Question 5 is, just give me a minute. Okay, let me see now. Okay, question 5 is, well, I help you people a lot, you know. Question 4 are all the two reading passages, right? Reading comprehension, right? Okay, question 5 is, oh, okay, they're the same. Question 4, one reading passage, and comprehension questions, 5, question 4. Question 5 is again one more reading passage of an airport disaster, airport or flight disaster or whatever, and 5 questions, 10 marks again. It's the same. Question 4 and question 5 are the same. Same format. Is that okay, Anna? Okay, thank you, thank you. Then question 6 is, we talked about how do you need to be prepared, the 4 steps, and question 7 is what we are doing now. Is that okay? All of you okay? I don't expect anybody to fail. I know last week many of you were absent. Yes or no? So you missed a lot of lessons. So you must catch up. Okay? You must catch up. You must check with your friends, check with me, so that you know. Don't fail. I don't want that. Okay? Okay, question 7 is where we are dealing with passengers.